How to get Monzo credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get Monzo credit card. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the Monzo application in your mobile device. And if you don't want to use the mobile application, you can go to the Monzo official website while clicking on www.monzo.com, and you will be landed to the official website of Monzo. And from there just simply click on sign up if you don't have an account, and if you already have an account, just simply click on sign in and just simply log into your account. And once you are logged in into your account, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of your screen, and from there you will be able to see different options like current account and plans, features, saving, investment and other options. You just simply have to click on credit card and loans. From there just simply tap on it, and after that you will be able to see a bunch of options like flex credit card, loans and overdraft. Just simply click on flex credit card, and after that you will be able to see the criteria for getting a credit card in your Monzo account. So you need to check the eligibility criteria or the credit score that you have in your Monzo account in order to get the credit card or not. And the credit card limit start from 3,000 euros, and there is zero interest time and again. So you just simply have to go through the Monzo's terms and condition regarding their credit cards, and once you see that you are eligible for getting your Monzo credit card, you just simply click on open a Monzo account if you don't have an account already, and after that just simply apply for Monzo credit card from there. So this is basically how you will be able to get Monzo credit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.